Saying bye to loved ones is always hard, no matter how many times you visit, especially the place where you grown up. Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all, guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. This video recorded on the day we left India. I am late here to upload video because of some reasons. I already reached Qatar and trying to come back to my routines. We started our journey around 1 o'clock post lunch. We have to catch flight from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai. Distance from my native to Mumbai is about 400 km by road and it needs 7 to 8 hours. Also, we kept 2-3 hours buffer time. So during road journey, we decided to take rest as much as possible because we had to catch flight early in the morning around 4 o'clock. Now we reached nearby Satara and here we are having some tea time. This route from Kolhapur to Mumbai lies in Sahyadri mountain range, that is Western Ghat. And Western Ghat are so beautiful as always, any season, but especially during monsoon, this mountain range and rain, weather, everything is so beautiful. Visited India after 2 years and now we are going back, feeling little different, but have to go, but hoping to come back again and visit soon. Let's see. So we reached Pune and Mahesh went to do some last moment work. So me and kids are waiting here in cafe and I ordered coffee and as usual kids are hungry. I don't know what happens to them. Whenever we leave house they are always hungry. After spending more than 2 hours in Pune, we left Pune. From Pune to Mumbai by expressway, it will take 1.5 hours to reach airport. And in between also, I think we may take one again refreshment break. Let's see. And as I said, we have to take again break. So we stopped by Food Plaza. It is on Pune Mumbai Expressway. We have some last moment shopping like Lonavala, Chikki and on. Also, driver wanted to take some break. And here we are purchasing some chikki and stuff for friends and also for ourselves. And also, Mahesh is hungry now because he didn't have anything in Pune. So We stopped here at Datta Snack. It is one of the famous snack center. I know many of you know this. I ordered some tea and look at these boys. They had pasta and all. Again, they ordered some milkshake. And yes, finally we reached Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. It's 11:30 in the night. We are on time, so let's see how next procedure and all everything goes. At entry, it is not much crowded. Let's see inside. OMG, so much big line. Oof, maybe it will take 1 to 2 hours. Don't know. Let's see. Almost took 2 hours to finish all procedure, and now we are heading towards gate. I guess flight is full. See here also queue. We all are tired so much, so we need sleep now. During flight, we slept nicely and directly opened our eyes when we reached Qatar. Finally, we reached Hamad International Airport, Doha, Qatar. चलो भाई कर्मभूमि आ गई, अभी काम पे लग जाओ, छुट्टियां खत्म. I know many of you can relate with this whenever we come back from vacation. And these are queue for family and bachelor separately, just they're checking hotel booking for quarantine. Immigration and security done. I cannot shoot there. And here we have collected our baggage and going now. But this is the queue again to check all documents like hotel quarantine booking, PCR test, every document again they will check here. And everything done, we are going to take taxi, but here again they are confirming hotel booking and PCR test document. And here you can see there is a line for a taxi also. It's a 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are going now to hotel. We have booked a 2 days package for vaccinated people. We have to stay 2 night in the hotel. When I reached Qatar, the rule was like for vaccinated people, you have to stay 2 nights in hotel quarantine, where they will do a PCR test and then only you can go. So now rule changed, but you can check on MOPH website, Ministry of Public Health Qatar. And this is our quarantine room. We have booked 2 rooms separate for kids and for us. Quickly freshen up, and now we are having breakfast. After that we have planned to rest. And yes, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed our journey from India to Qatar, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.